may motivate some in the executive and legislative branches. Our terms have a long-term vista, one that should not be anchored in the result in the political frame. Elected officials, on the other hand, though elected to better represent the interests of their constituents, have often proven otherwise. You know what makes a difficult case? It is not the difficulty in the principles and the law. It is the difficulty in what the result will be. Because we know that if the result favors one politician over the other, we will always get the ad hominem attacks from everyone out there saying, because this is the result, you coddle this person. Whereas in truth and in fact, if you look at the principles, it is there for a reason. And it is there in order to maintain the rule of law and justice and for the long run. Okay. So I guess you also have that feeling. Because once you choose who to prosecute first, sasabihin nila, bakit siya nauna? Hindi ito. So kinakabel nyo yung hinuli ninyo. But in reality, you can only do some things initially and then go to the other. And some cases are more difficult to evolve and develop than the other.